In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add your school here on Instagram. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this entire guide you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. But essentially, if you want to add your school here on Instagram, begin by opening up your Instagram. And once again, this doesn't really matter which device you're on. You could be on an iPhone or an Android. It doesn't really matter. And once you do get on Instagram, click on your little profile icon down in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. From here, you're going to see the edit profile button just above the little post and reels section, just like so. Select edit profile, and it's going to take you to a page like this. And just scroll down, and right below banners, you're going to see an option to add your school. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Hit next again, and from here, you're going to want to enter in your school email. So this can be your university or college email, or it could even be your high school email if you are in high school. Go ahead and enter in that student email though, hit continue. It's going to have you verify it, and after you do that, your school is going to be added to your profile page, just like so. It's going to be like right below your bio. As you can see, it literally says add school right here where it's going to be. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.